In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Figma. We will be working in FigJam because it's designed for whiteboarding and makes flowcharting quick and intuitive. If you are new to it, don't worry, this process is straightforward. And by the end, you will have a clean connected diagram that's easy to read and update. Start by opening a new FigJam file. This gives you an infinite canvas along with interactive shape tools made for mapping ideas and processes. Think of this space as your digital whiteboard where you can drop shapes, link them together, and refine your flow as you go. Next, add your shapes. You can open the shape library by pressing the S key, or press R to jump straight to a rectangle. You can also click the shape icon in the toolbar if you prefer using the mouse. Drag shapes onto the canvas and place them roughly in the order you want your process to follow. Rectangles work well for steps or actions. Ovals are commonly used for start and end points, and diamonds are great for decisions. Don't worry about perfect alignment yet, getting your ideas out is the important part. You can always tidy spacing later. Now connect your shapes. Hover over a shape and you will see small plus buttons appear around its edges. Click one of those plus buttons and drag to another object to create a connector. These smart lines automatically stick to your shapes, which means if you move things around, the connectors follow and reattach. This makes it simple to reorganize your flow without breaking the structure. With your connections in place, customize the connectors to make your diagram clearer. Click any connector to change its color, switch it to a dotted or dashed style, or add arrows to indicate direction. Using arrows is especially helpful to show which way the flow proceeds, and a consistent color scheme can help separate main paths from optional branches. Finally, add text inside your shapes. Click a shape and start typing to label each step with a short, clear description. Aim for concise wording so the chart is easy to scan. If a shape feels crowded, consider splitting that step into two shapes rather than cramming in more text. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.